Dear audience, today we will be having a practice exam for Cisco SMBE 700-750 exam, which is related to small medium business engineer. So this will be the third part of the exam, the third module, which is exploring SMB experiences. So the question which is expected to be coming into the exam, that is, which key benefit of Cisco SMB experience is not primarily aimed at reducing the cost? So out of these four options, the best answer, which I think is B, enhance security and compliance, primarily focus on risk mitigation and regularity adherence, not directly on the cost reduction. Number two, the second kind of question could be like, which Cisco SMB experience focus on secure remote work and employee mobility? So hybrid SMB experience, secure SMB experience, remote SMB experience, and smart SMB experience. So the answer is hybrid SMB experience specifically deals with secure remote access and collaboration. The third is how can SMB leverage the smart SMB experience for improved decision making? So the answer would be smart SMB experience utilize data-driven insight and AI to inform strategic decision. Fourth question, which statement is the most? So this is a keyword. You have to focus on the word keywords like most, not, most likely, less likely, least. So here is the keyword is most effective way for SMBs to maximize the benefit of Cisco SMB experience. And the answer is C, choosing solution aligned with the specific goals and challenges ensure optimal value and effectiveness. The fifth question is in the context of Cisco SMB experience, what does optimize IT management refers to? So out of these four answers, the best answer is C. Optimize IT management emphasizes simplicity and efficiency through pre-configured tools and workflows. Well done. So see you in the module 4 quiz in the next video.